how to manage when a product is out of stock on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage it. First, open your browser and then click settings, and then scroll down until you find the inventory and click on it. And now here we'll find general settings, and here you can manage when a product is out of stock. Just select anything you want here and then click save. It will be saved, and that's it. After that, just click after that just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.